Hi, fifth graders, I'm back. Okay, hopefully you have your customary measurement practice paper in front of you. Notice it says name. Please write your name and number on your paper right now. I'll wait for you. Okay, great. Also make sure that you have your blue reference paper out, the measurement reference sheet. Great. Okay, so the first question is about length, and it says 1 yard equals blank feet. If you don't remember, you can come over here to your reference sheet and look on the customary side. That's where everything will be today. And we're going to go down and look. 1 foot, 12 inches, right here, 3 feet equals 1 yard. So we can just go ahead and write that down. Okay, another one I thought that we could practice is right down here. 1 pound equals blank ounces. I think most of you remember that from our workshop last week, but here it is. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. When you get to the liquid volume, you can look at the wall, or you could look in your math journal and look for the gallon robot, and that can help you with these measurements. Okay, the next little section says basic conversion problems. On this problem, we're looking at number 11, and it says 5 feet equals blank inches. So you need to think about, what does 1 foot equal? And we're going to write that down. 1 foot equals. Now hopefully you remember, but if you don't, you can go back to your reference sheet. So think about it for a minute. Does anyone remember? Good. 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay, now all we have to do is take 12 times 5. A lot of you have gotten really good with multiplying your 12s because we've been working very hard on multiplication. 12 times 5 is 60, and that's our answer. And that's what you continue to do. You can write hints if you need them, show your work, and then write your answer down. Okay, this is the last page, and it says word problems. I'm going to help you with question 21. This question says, how many pounds does a 2.5 ton car weigh? That's a lot of pounds. So we need to be looking at something with pounds and tons. Right over here under weight, I have 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So I'm going to write that hint. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Okay, so what we need to think about now is if the car weighs 2.5 tons, we need to convert that to pounds. So we're going to be multiplying 2,000 times 2.5. Okay, let's start. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0, another 0. And finally, 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, now when we get started on the next row, we're going to start with a placeholder 0. Okay, I put a little face in there. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. And 2 times 2 is 4. Now we're going to add. Lots of zeros again, straight down. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. So it looks like our answer is 50,000 pounds, but it's not. what do we need to do before we're finished with this problem? Does anybody have any ideas? Look at it really closely. Oh, good. Some of you noticed that we have a decimal that we need to take care of. So we're going to count over our decimal one place. Come down here, one place. So actually our answer is 5,000. And we'll write our answer up here, 5,000 pounds. So how many pounds does a 2.5-ton car weigh? 5,000 pounds. This is how you will work all of these problems, and I would like for you to include the hint or the conversion that you used. I would like for you to show your work like we did, and then write your answer and label it. That way I will know that you understand it. Okay, 5th grade, go ahead and finish this paper. When you get done, you can hand it in, and then you need to read quietly while you're waiting for the rest of your class to get finished, and then to have more instructions. Okay, thank you.